Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming third video for my Fruity Fridays series. So today I decided to do a cherry look, and this is what I came up with and what I created. And I really like it. It's a bit of a smoky eye with a wing liner and lashes and a bold lip. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. I'll start with priming my lids, and I'm using this Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade C6.5. Next I'll take this Rose in the Air palette from Wet n Wild, and I'll use this white shade, creamy shade. Next I'm taking Huda Beauty Desrt Dusk palette, and I'll use the shade Eden and shade Musk as my transition. Now I'm going back into this Wet n Wild palette, and I'll take this reddish shade. Now I'm going into Makeup Revolution Division palette, and I'll take this shade. I'll use this shade called Saffron from Huda Beauty palette on my lid. I honestly absolutely love this shade. And now I have a dilemma, because I wanted to use this NYX Cosmic Metals palette, and I wanted to use this shade over that, but I don't know now. I'll use it just in here. So guys, I'm done with my lids for now, and now I'm gonna do my face. First I'll start with concealer. I'm mixing this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6.5. And of course blending it with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. Now I'll add this Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline. I'm using BH Cosmetics Bronze Paradise palette, and I'll take this bronzer from it. And for bronzer I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring palette. It's in the shade Caramel Toffee. And now I am taking this e.l.f. blush palette, and I'll mix these two shades. Now we are going back to my eyes. I'll take this Beauty UK eyeliner and shadow pencil, and I'm taking this black pencil and applying it in my waterline. Now I'm taking a bit of this shade Saffron, and I'll smudge it along my lower lash line. And now I'll do my eyeliner using this Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner. Now I'll do my lips, and I'm using this NYX lip liner. It's in the shade Auburn. And on the end I'll apply my lashes. These are Azeredo in the style doll, and you can use my code Dora10 to get a discount. So guys, this is the completed look, this cherry inspired. I really like how it turned out, and I feel really great, and it's like a vampy and girly and feminine look, really feminine look. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends. If you want, you can comment something if you want, and thank you for watching, and of course subscribe to my channel. Bye!